Hello everyone, Jim Addison from CESA 3 here, excited to tell you about two upcoming workshops that we have at CESA in December when it comes to supporting students' foundational skills. The first one we have is on December 12th, where Meredith and I will guide you through an introductory workshop in the implementation and evidence around UFLI Foundations, a K-2 resource that can be applied in other settings as well. So come get a UFLI Foundations manual, all the materials you need, and evidence and collaboration to get started with this resource. Now, a question we often get is, okay, when a student has a strong foundation in some of the basic phonics concepts, but maybe they're struggling a bit when it comes to sort of the multisyllabic words or meeting the demands of the complex texts that are in class. Well, I'm excited to tell you about another workshop that we have December 17th, which is on an open resource called Word Connections by Jessica Toste. And this resource is designed for students in grades 3 through 5, although it could also be applied in other settings as well, and really helps to build automaticity when it comes to supporting students with multisyllabic words and building strong morphology knowledge. So come join us on December 12th and December 17th with great collaboration with other educators from around the region. Get some great materials and some of the resources, evidence to really support an effective implementation. We'll see you there.